Welcome to this video of my course. So now we are going to choose the tags for our gig. This method is also same to the gig title choosing method. The 4 gigs that we have chosen, we are going to copy their tags and we are also going to put them in our notepad file one by one just under the gig description. So in case you don't know how to find the tags of any gig, then it's very simple. You can find the tags of any gig present on the Fiverr platform just under the reviews given by the buyers to sellers right here in this section. I will copy all the tags from this section and then I will paste them on my notepad file. As you can see, all the gig tags are in front of me and now I can choose the tags for my gig. You can use 5 tags in your gigs tags section. You must prefer those tags that suggests the same on entering, and they also must be used by in at least 2 gigs from the 4 gigs that we have chosen. Here you can see I have chosen a YouTube channel and it has been used in all the gigs. Video SEO has been used by 2 gigs also. Then I have chosen channel promotion. I would like you to remember that if you do not find the same keyword, I mean a keyword which is used by all the gigs, then you can create your own keywords from all of those gigs using the keywords. Here you can see all the sellers are using double keywords and you can use the half keyword from any of this keyword. As you can see, the word channel has been used by all the gigs. I can use channel and growth. It is also used by almost all the gigs. So I have chosen the 4th keyword, which is channel growth. And here, as you can see, video marketing has been used for 2 times. So I will keep video marketing as my 5th keyword. So these are our keywords that we are going to use or adjust in our gig titles. Number 1, YouTube channel, video SEO. Then on number 3rd, it's channel promotion. Number 4th, channel growth. And number 5th, video marketing. Keep in mind that when we enter these keywords in our gig tags, then we will also see that these keywords are suggesting the same or not. If these keywords will be not suggesting the same, if we write them as they are written here in pairs, then we can only use single from or half keyword from each keyword. Like if channel growth does not suggest us same keyword, then we will try to use only channel, and if channel will be suggested keyword, then we will keep it, otherwise we will try growth, and if both are present as a single word, then it will be our choice that whatever we wanted to use. So I have gathered all the tags that I required for my gig, and that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next video.